Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss in this video Python literals displaying output using print function, output formatting output using format method. It means that when you are displaying output using format keyword, reading input from the keyboard in Python programming. These topics I am covering in this video. First one, Python literals. Python literals can be defined as data that is given in a variable or constants. It means that when the data is manipulated in the programming in Python, you have to use Python literals. Python literals are different types. They are string literals, numeric literals, Boolean literals, special literals, literals collections. These are five types in the Python literals. And first one, Python literals. Python literals can be formed by enclosing a text in the quotations. We can both single as well as double quotations to create a string. Example, I am writing a one string. String name is Srinu within the double quotations and single quotations. I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the integer. We already learned what is a string. When you are defining a string within the sequence of characters defining the double quotations is called string. In this Python programming, string can be defining as within the double quotations, within the single quotations also. Using double quotations, single quotations, you have to create a one string. Types of strings. There are two types of strings supported in the Python programming. One is single line string. Single line string means single quotations. Strings that are terminated within the single line are known as single line string. For example, I am taking the integer single quotations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the single line string. Multi-line string. A piece of text that is written in multiple lines is known as multiple line string. When you write in Python programming in multiple line strings, we have two ways. One is adding black slash at the end of the each line. Suppose I am writing Srinu and end with the black slash. When you are writing a black slash, you go to write another line, and another one is string triple quotation marks. For example, first one double quotations also using string, and another line multiple line strings you have to write using triple quotations of the lines. These are the string literals. Another one, numeric literals. Numeric literals are integers, long integers, float, complex. These four are numeric literals. Integer defined as signed integers. Signed integers means when the given integers are positive or negative, can be both are defining the integer, numeric integer literals. Numbers with no factorial part is defined as integers. Suppose example of the integer literals plus 128 to minus 128, both are defined in the integer literals. But factorial values like 2 by 3, 5 by 2, 2 by 700 by 2, these kind of values not defining the integer literals. Long integers. Integers of unlimited size followed by the lowercase or uppercase. In long integers can be defined as the values and alphabets also. For example, 87328455 and L is the uppercase. This is the valid long integer literals. Float. Float means it is a points values. Real numbers with both integer and factorial part. Example, minus 26.2 is the factorial or factorial part, fractional part, and float value can be defined fractional part only, and either plus and negative also defining the fractional part. Complex in the form of a plus b I, where a forms the real part and b forms the imaginary part in the complex numbers. For example, 3.14j. 3 is the real part and 14j is the imaginary part. This is the complex. And Boolean literals. Boolean literals can be have any of two values, either true or false. When you are using Boolean literals, you have compulsory have the two statements. In the two statements, any statement true defining the true value, any statement is false defining the false. In Boolean literals, any statement either true or false compulsory defining the particular statement. Special literals. Python contains one special literals, that is none. None means it is like a zero. None is used to specify to that field that is not created. It is also used for the end of the list in Python. It means that, for example, I am taking the two variables. One variable is 10 and another variable 2 is I am writing none. I want to print two variables. Variable 1 is 10 print and variable 2 is none. The output coming to the variable 1 is 10 and variable 2 is none is defining the end of the line. Literals collections. Python provides the four types of literal collections such as list, tuple, dictionary, and set. These are the literal collections. List literals. List contains items of different data types. List modifiable. Modify means at the defining of the time, the variables or constants can be changing is allowed in the Python programming. The values stored in the list are separated by the commas enclosed within the square brackets. We can store different types of data in list. Different types means standard data types, 5 types can use in the list literals. Dictionary. Python stores the data in the key value pair enclosed with the curly brackets, each pair separated by the commas. Tuple. Python tuple is a collection of different data types, but in this literal, modification not be allowed in the programming. Once it's define the variables or constants, any one cannot be changed in the programming or creation time after creating the time. It enclosed by the parentheses and each and every element separated by the comma. Set. Python set is the collection of the unordered data set. It is enclosed with the curly brackets. Each and every element can be separated by the comma. And second one, displaying output using the printer. The simplest way to produce output using the print function, where you can pass 0 or more expressions separated by the commas. This function converts the expressions you pass into string before writing to the screen. In C programming, when your print statement in the output stream, you have to write print statement, and where variable you to print, that variable also you have to define that printf statement. But in this Python program, you have to write print directly, no variable defined in the statement. For example, example 1, print, I am using the double quotation string hello world. Output is hello world defined. And example 2 is I am using the string. Here I am using integer. X is the variable and 5 is the integer. Print x equal to comma x. Output is capital X equal to 5. But I am defining the small x equal to 5. I want the capital X equal to 5 to defining the using the print. And example 3, print, I am writing using the single quotation string. Single quotation string data camp tutorial Python, and 3 strings can be separated by the comma. Outputs are data camp tutorial Python, individually defining the next lines 3 strings. Since the Python print function can be default and with the new line, Python has a predefined format. If you use print a variable, then it will be go to next line automatically. Syntax: print ASCII objects. Objects, one or more objects to be printed are separated by the space or by default. And SCP equal to means separatable and single quotations comma and equal to slash and comma file equal to sys system stdio out. It is the library function. Flash equal to false. Parameters: objects, one or more objects to be printed comma separated by space single quotations by the default. Separated. It is an optional. SCP is an optional. By multiple objects passed, they are separated by the specified separator. By default is using single quotations. End is a option, using is optional. That last value to print using the end. Default is slash and within the defining single quotations. File must be an object with a write a string method using file. Default using sys std out. It is a library function. Flash is optional using this programming as syntax. The stream is forcibly flashed by buffer. Default is false. In this example, I am using print. I am writing within the double quotation learning Python. Name is I am writing single quotation Sakamori, and print my name is comma name. The output is learning Python. My name is Sakamori. This is the example one. Next one, name equal to, I am using single quotation string is John. Print my name is the double quotations comma name. My name is John, separated with the single quotations and slash n. Print I am 18 years old. Example is my name is John, separated is I am writing quotations or underscores John. defining this in double quotation. I am 18 years old. This is the another example. And IDE interface using print double quotations hello to print hello, and where you are using print using integers to defining the integers, and using in the printf directly using mathematical calculations to using mathematical calculation 4 plus 6 10, and also integers defining x equal to 5. Print the value x is comma x, output is the value of x is 5. This is the printf function using different types. Output formatting. There are several ways to present the output of program. Data can be printed in human readable form or written to a file for future use. Sometimes users often want more control the formatting of output than simply printing space separated values. When you are using output formatting in any programming, the output formatting can be any different changes. The main theme is the printing statement is more readable, understand to the human, or written to a file for the usage also. This is the main theme of the output formatting. Formatting of output using string modular operator percentage using. Percentage is also called modular. Example, hash print integer and float values. When you are using hash, this is the single line comment. Print, I am writing within the double quotations, Greeks modular 2D, comma, portal modular 5.2f, modular 1, 0, 5.333. Output is Greeks is the 1 will be taken, and the portal will be taken is 5.33. Explanation. My statement is print double quotations Greek and modular 2D portable percentage of modular 5.2f, modular is 1, 0.33. Modular 2D defining the 1, modular 5.2f defining the 5.33. The modular is a string modular operator in the programming side, and output is Greeks defining the modular 2D. It means that 1 is the output. Portal modular 5.2f defining the 5.33. The answer is 5.33. Next statement, print Greeks modular 2D, comma, portable modular 5.2f is the format string. Modular is here. The modular can be act as string modulo operator. 1, 0.33 are the tuple with the value. The first placeholder of modular 2D is used for the first component of our tuple. The first component tuple is 1. 1 is the integer. The number will be printed within the 2 characters only. Why 2 characters to print? I am writing modular 2D. 2D means to print 2 characters. As the 1 is consistent only 1 digit. The output is with the 1 leading blanks. And after that, second one is modular 5.2f. The format description for the float number. 5.2 is float value. Like other placeholders, it is introduced with the modular characters. Why modular characters? When the string is used, sequence of characters depend. This is followed by the total number of digits in the string should contain. The number includes the decimal point and all the digits before and after the decimal points. In the printf print statement, the float value is 05.333 as to be formatted with the 5 characters. The decimal part of the number or precision is the set of 2, that is numbers following with the double quotations dot, where dot is decimal numbers will be started. Finally, the last character is F of our placeholder stands for the float. Here after decimal points is 2. Formatting output using format method. Using curly braces to mark where a variable will be substituted and can be provide detailed formatting directives, but user also need to provide the information to be formatted. Example 1, where using hash, it is a single quotation comment line using format method. Print, I am defining here single quotation string and I love and curly brackets for its curly brackets not equal. Dot format, for what is the format here? India and diversity. These are the two formats, and output is I love India for its diversity. Example 2, using format method and refining position of the objects. Print 0 will be defining as India, 1 is defining as a diversity. And another print statement, 1 is defining as India, 0 will be defining as diversity. How to format act as in the statements. Output is the first statement is 0 defining India, output will be India, 1 is diversity, diversity. And second statement, 1 will be defining as India, 0 will be diversity. This is the formatting of output where the statement will be defined, that particular part will be changing or refining of the position of the objects also. And reading input from the keyboard. The user input from the keyboard can be read using the input built-in functions. Built-in function means already defining. The input from the user is read as a string and can be assigned to a variable. When our input using from the user read the string or integers assigned to a variable. Any input function can be assigned to the variable compulsory. After entering the value from the keyboard, we have to press enter button compulsory. Then the input function reads the value entered by the user. Any input function or reading the value can be entered by the user only or program developer. The program heads indefinitely for the user input. There is no option to provide timeout value. You have to continue to read the value in the programming. Syntax input promote in the parentheses. Example, value input enter a string. I am taking the print, I am entered in the double quotation have the value. Value equal to input. The within the please enter any integer. In any integer you have to write also value equal to int value. This statement will be also valid. Print value is value. This is the reading of the input of the keyboard. Thank you.